Okay, problem 3 on the review. For storage, Mr. Powell uses cylindrical containers like the one shown below. If Mr. Powell uses 2 of these containers, let's underline that so we don't forget that part of the problem. Which is the closest to the total combined volume of both containers? Is the formula for volume of a cylinder the same as the formula for volume of a prism? Volume equals big B times H. Big B is the area of the circular base. So this circular base looks like this. They've given us the radius is 1 foot. So R equals 1 foot. And the area of a circle is pi r squared. So big B, area of the circle is 3.14 times 1 squared. 1 squared is just 1 times 1, so that's 1. And 3.14 times 1 is just 3.14 feet squared. So the area of the circular base is 3.14 feet squared. But to get the volume of that cylinder, we need to multiply that area of that base times the height of the cylinder. So 3.14 times 2, and that is 6.28. But don't pick answer choice G, because remember it says which is closest to the total combined volume of the 2 cylinders. So it would be 6.28 times 2. .56 or 13 is closest of these 4 answer choices. Make sure you answer the question you're being asked, or think about what you're trying to find. Number 4, the volume of a prism is 100 centimeters cubed. The area of the base, big B, is 25 centimeters squared. What is the height of the prism? They don't tell us the shape of the prism, but we don't need the shape, because remember the volume formula for any prism is big B times H, area of the base times the height. If the volume is given to us and it's 100, and the area of the base, big B, is 25, 100 equals 25 times some height. So what must the height be? The height must be 4 centimeters. Or if that wasn't obvious when you look at that equation, you just solve the equation. We're multiplying H times 25. So to isolate the variable, we divide by 25. Undo the multiplication with division, the inverse operation, because 25 divided by 25 is 1, and then we'll know what 1H equals. But remember, whatever I do to one side of the equation, I have to do the same thing to the other side. So I have to divide 100 by 25, and 100 divided by 25 is 4. Problem 5. Alex wants to build a doghouse in the shape of a triangular prism. Which of the following nets represent a plan Alex should use in this construction? Well, a triangular prism needs to have 2 parallel and congruent triangular bases. It rules out answer choice D because the base of answer choice D is a rectangle, and these faces would fold up to a point, so really this would be a rectangular pyramid. We can also rule out answer choice C because these 2 triangles are not congruent. Not only that, they can't be parallel to each other when we fold up this net because they share a vertex. So we're down to A and B. If I fold up these 2 triangles in A, they are congruent first of all, and they will be parallel. The problem with A is this face will fold over onto this face, and we won't get the complete prism the way we would on answer choice B. If we fold these faces up, then this triangle would fold over to close in the prism, and so answer choice B would work. And we'll pick up with number 6 on the next video.